चलो समझ में आया? So write down the current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere when a charge of 1 coulomb flows past. Children, I'm very sorry, there's a power disturbance. When the charge of 1 coulomb flows past its cross section in 1 second. So 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb over second. And what is electric current? Electric current का definition लिख लीजिए. Electric current is defined as the rate of flow of charges. Rate of flow of charges. The rate of flow of charge is electric current. I is equal to Q upon T. And this starts your first formula. The first formula in this grade. I is equal to Q upon T. ये कुछ 11-12 ऐसा कुछ बनेगा. उसमें पहला फॉर्मूला ये है. And the first constant that you have remembered so far is E is equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. This is the value of the charge of an electron, and current is given by Q upon S. याद रखिएगा, with seconds याद रखिए तो आपको बेहतर रहेगा. Sorry, C by T. C should be in capital. Yes sir. नेगेटिव 1.5 एक इलेक्ट्रॉन का चार्ज का नेचर नेगेटिव रहता है, लेकिन हम तो मैग्नीट्यूड से काम कर रहे हैं ना. इट्स लाइक दैट. It's like you moving at 5 meter, I move at 5 meter east, you move west, but our speed is 5 meter only. So don't get confused on that. Again, what she is trying to ask is, she's saying, sir, you said that the charge of an electron is minus 1.6. That I say because there is something like a proton. Proton's charge is plus 1.6. So electron's charge is minus 1.6. But when we're doing any problem, suppose in this case, when we did how many electrons, you can't have a value in negative. So we take the charge as the magnitude of the charge. हम सिर्फ magnitude से खेल रहे हैं. इतना समझ में? हाँ, seconds लगेगा. T is in seconds and C is in charge is in coulomb. This is your first formula. मिटाएं इसको. The Ampere's definition, yes, look at Ampere's definition. See, 1 ampere is 1 coulomb over 1 second. Where is this 1 coulomb beta? 1 coulomb trying to pass through in a time of how much? 1 second. मतलब यहां से यहां पार होने में कितना टाइम लगा? 1 second. यहां से यहां पार होने में 1 second लगा. किसको? 1 coulomb को. तब हम करंट की वैल्यू कितना बोलेंगे? 1 ampere. Now let's define. The current flowing through a conductor is said to be 1 ampere if a charge of 1 coulomb flows past its cross section in 1 second, in a time interval of 1 second. 1 सेकंड के अंतराल में अगर 1 कूलम चार्ज एक क्रॉस सेक्शन को ट्रक पार कर गया तो तब हम कहते हैं कि यहाँ पे 1 एम्पियर करंट फ्लो कर रहा है. And 1 ampere current is huge. If you have little bit of idea, now slowly there will be a lot of generic talk. Devices in your house like microwave, geysers, washing machine, and even mixer grinder to some extent, and toasters, dishwashers. These are all power guzzlers, geysers. ये सब बहुत power खींचते हैं. And anyone who actually draws more power draws more current. That you keep in your mind. So if you lit up one Diwali or Christmas light, it is not pulling that much for current at all. So we say that the starting current of an AC, when an AC is running, 1.5 ton AC is running, or a 1 ton, 1.5 ton, the AC is consuming something around 7 to 8 amperes. And when the AC just starts, it pulls up almost 2 to 2.5 times of current. Means its starting current will be around 14 to 18 amperes. इतना current एक AC खींच लेता है start होते ही. Those are high current devices, and any high current device is to be very cautiously dealt with. They are all very good devices as long as you maintain them. Anything electric iron, जिससे आप iron करते हो, they are all high current devices. Fan बहुत कम है. Fan pulls hardly around 0.65 amperes. Huh? Not that much. They don't pull 1 ampere. ठीक है? So just for knowledge, the small 3-pin plugs that you see in your house, these have a current capacity of 6 amperes, and the large one that you see, which you see for microamperes, these are 16 amperes. 16 amps, 6 amps. जब आप जब भी सॉकेट खरीदेंगे वो पूछेगा आपको 3 पिन में 6 amperes चाहिए या 16 amperes. 16 is the bigger one, 6 is the smaller one. ठीक है ना? That's why we don't connect high current devices on this. Low current devices can be connected on. कोई टेंशन नहीं है. ठीक है? चले आगे. And so now before going ahead, so that more what you call knowledge develops. So we have to understand this chapter with lot of examples. आओ बढ़िया से example करते हैं. Let's say there is a get together at your house. There is a get together. ये सब आंसर बहुत लोग नहीं कर पाते हैं, लेकिन क्या करते हैं, they will ratify the chapter. There is a get together and friends have come to your house. So this friend 1, friend 2. So friend 1 has got a mobile, friend 2 has also got a mobile, and this is the host. The host has got a mobile which has got a charger. Okay, and this charger's spec is the spec of this charger is, suppose पुराने दिन का मोबाइल है, थोड़ा इसका है नहीं, इसका हाई एंड मोबाइल है, एंड हिज चार्जर इज से 3 एम्पियर चार्जर है, इसका ब्रिक जो मोटा वाला हम कहते हैं, इसे ब्रिक चार्जर है. नाउ दिस फेलो केम विद योर टू योर हाउस ऑन पार्टी विद डाइंग सेल नहीं है इसके पास, लेकिन इसका जो मोबाइल है वो पुराना सैमसंग है, 1 एम्पियर चार्जर इसको लगता है, इसका चार्जर है 1 एम्पियर चार्जर. नाउ दिस फेलो हैज कम टू योर हाउस. The question is, should he use your charger or should he not use your charger? Now he has come to your house. Try to understand the question. This fellow's mobile uses a 1.5 ampere charger. I hope you know these chargers रहते हैं ना, 2 amps, 1 amp. इस चार्जर से 1.5 एम्पियर वाला मोबाइल है, ये आपके घर पे आ गया है अभी बैटरी में मोबाइल does not have charge. All you can do is that you can give your charger to him. So if what is your charger? You should know these. A charger connects to your wall at 220 to anything around 240 volts of alternating current. And what does it deliver? It has got a USB connection. Do you know the full form of USB? USB stands for Universal Serial Bus. Okay. All USBs worldwide will give only one voltage, that is 5.1 volt. And direct current aata hai. Direct and AC you right now don't know, so don't bang your head. So a charger steps down the voltage and offers you 5.1. Whether iska charger, 5.1 is the voltage, everything. Any USB gives you 5.1 volt. Whether it is in your laptop or gari ka charger or jahan pe jao, 5.1 volt you'll get. That's the worldwide control. Now my question is, should this fellow charge his mobile at your house or not? If so, why? If not, why? तब आप करंट सीखेंगे, नहीं तो रट्टू मार के कुछ नहीं सीख पाओगे. Did you understand the problem? I went to your house and you have a charger which is 3 amperes. I forgot my charger at home, but my charger is 1.5 amperes. Should I use my charger mobile and should I charge it to your charger or not? Hey, we can nahi. So either the answer will be either can or cannot. Oh, why? आपको क्या लगता है? और इसका definition अभी जो पढ़ाया उसमें you have little bit knowledge has been covered. I want you to apply that knowledge. है तो क्यों, नहीं है तो क्यों, ठीक है, ये समझो. जनरली लोग क्या समझेंगे कि ये 3 एम्पियर चार्जर है ना, ये 3 एम्पियर चार्जर में इस चार्जर मोबाइल को मत लगाओ. इट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज गोइंग टू डिलीवर यू बड़ा करंट डिलीवर करेगा, आपका मोबाइल खराब हो जाएगा. दैट्स एब्सोल्युटली रॉन्ग. नाउ फर्स्ट ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इट इज. Okay, not maximum 3 amp. It's like, this is my device. Try to understand. Device will always draw current. इसीलिए करंट के हर प्रॉब्लम में क्वेश्चन ऐसे आएगा कि हीटर draws. The device is going to draw current. How much current does this device draw? 1.5 ampere. How much are you capable to give him? Happily दोगे इसको. Now, there are many engineers who have passed out and say, oh no, that will kharab ho jayega. I've seen in my company, previous company. That's what I call the definition of morons. When you don't study properly, then they'll say, no, it will get kharab. ये happily इसको charge करेगा और fast charge होगा आपका मोबाइल. और अगर ये भूखा है ना, charge is something, current is something like you'll draw. If you take a completely drained down mobile and you start plugging it, you'll see your charger becoming garam. हर करके खा रहा है वो बैटरी को चार्ज अप करने. जैसे बैटरी चार्ज अप हो जाएगा, चार्जर भी ठंडा होना शुरू हो जाएगा. अब उल्टा सवाल, ये आपके घर में बर्थडे पार्टी में गया अपना चार्जर छोड़ के, क्या इसको कनेक्ट करना चाहिए? क्यों? कनेक्ट कर सकता है, कुछ नहीं होगा. दिस चार्जर विल हीट अप वेरी बैडली एंड हिज चार्जिंग विल बी वेरी स्लो. इसको कैसे समझने का? इसको ऐसे समझिए. देखिए, इसका बेस्ट एग्जांपल कुछ ऐसा है. सपोज this is your 2-burner gas stove and this is your mother who prepares roti, and say 2 of your friends have come, Farhan और हाँ, राजू, दोनों खाना खाने आए हैं. Your mother is enough skilled to deliver rotis to y'all at the eating rate. Generally first y'all will eat 2 rotis, एक दो संभाल लेगा, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे अगर आपने लंगर खोल दिया और इस यहाँ पे अपने माँ को रख दिया और गैस स्टोव, there is no difference in the taste, but your mother won't be able to serve that fast because the drawl rate is very high. अच्छा, दूसरा करो, इन दोनों को लेके लंगर में ले जाओ. अभी लंगर में कोई नहीं है, पूरा गुरुद्वारा खाली, only these two. Can they feed him? आराम से. 3 एम्पियर का चार्जर इसको आराम से खिलाएगा. No issues. So question comes that when you see these two things, this and this socket in your house, a Diwali light can be very easily connected here. कोई problem नहीं. But do not connect the microwave here. अब वायर मेल्ट हो जाएगा आपका. दिवाली लाइट आराम से दे दो. Current is drawn. So this charger can give me maximum 3 amperes. Do not connect something which is more than 3 amperes. Do you understand? Similarly, right now these UPS batteries are also working like that. There is a load. What are my loads? My camcorder, my TV, my modem, Geo modem, that's also, and this one. They're all connected on that battery. Once the battery dies down, their draw rate is much high. और बैटरी क्या बोलता है? ओवर एंड आउट, मैं मर गया, इसलिए वो मर जाए. करंट का कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आया? करंट इज ऑलवेज ड्रॉन बाय अ डिवाइस. ये पोर्शन आपके बुक में नहीं रहेगा, आप तोता बन के ऐसे पढ़ के चले जाओगे, समझ में नहीं आएगा. ठीक है, चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं थोड़ा और. सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन कम्स इज how do you measure current? Now this is where there will be a little bit of clash in your knowledge, because some knowledge you don't know. Measure current, but we will try to understand. Before understanding how do you measure current in electricity, two terms should be very clear to you: series, and the other term is known as parallel. Series and parallel are actually types of connection. Types of connection. Let us understand what is a series and what is a parallel. First, simply series बोलते ही याद रखना the nursery rhyme रिंगा रिंगा रोजेस. हाँ, ऐसे ही करो, ये याद रहेगा. और पैरेलल बोलते ही याद करना, किंडरगार्टन में टीचर बोलती थी ना, चिल्ड्रन गो टू द असेंबली. आजकल तो असेंबली नहीं होता है, चिल्ड्रन गो टू असेंबली. और कैसे असेंबली जाते थे बचपन में? वन होल्डिंग hand on the other like this used to go to the assembly. You remember that diagram? ठीक है, एक एक करके देखते हैं. Ringa Ringa Roses. So how did you play Ringa Ringa Roses? Ringa Ringa Roses used to be played like this. Okay, this is how we played Ringa Ringa Roses. Have you understood? Appliance with appliance with appliance with appliance. Now this is how we played Ringa Ringa Roses. And how do we go to the assembly? This is the first child. The second child puts his hand on the shoulders of the first child. Then the next child again puts his hand on the shoulders. ये ऐसा है. अब इसको इलेक्ट्रिसिटी के माध्यम में देखते हैं कैसा है. Let's understand it with the perspective of a bulb. ठीक है, ये एक बल्ब है, right? Every electric device will actually have two terminals. ठीक है, इन दोनों बल्ब्स को किसी ने मुझे बोला connect them in series. Series means ringa ringa roses. So what I'll do, I will take out one terminal here, I'll take out one terminal, and I'll just join these two. Isn't it like Ringa Ringa Roses? Yeah. Got it? And then somebody says, connect the, this is a series connection. इसको और पढ़ना, इसके ऊपर बहुत problems आएंगे. अभी तो just नहीं तो आप current का measurement समझ नहीं पाएंगे. And somebody tells me that connect two bulbs in parallel. So these are my two bulbs. Parallel means this is say terminal 1, terminal 2, terminal 1, terminal 2, 1 connected to 1, 2 connected to 2, and from here I pull out, this is a crossover, huh? This means they don't join. These are the two terminals. So think about it, this bulb has got, you can understand like this. This is say bulb number 1 has got two terminals, and bulb number 2 also has two terminals. The left is joined with left, the right is joined with right. Children go to the assembly. समझ में आ रहा है? पैरेलल, ऐसे पैरेलल ज्वाइन हो रहा है. द कनेक्शन इज पैरेलल. हैव यू अंडरस्टूड? अ सीरीज कनेक्शन, राइट नाउ वी विल स्टडी सीरीज सेपरेटली, बट व्हेन आई start teaching you how do you measure current, the series word will be used, and you won't be able to correlate. So just understand, series is the ringa ringa roses type of combination. Sir, how many of such appliances can be? N number of appliances, but all are connected one to the other. ठीक है ना? एक में डैमेज है तो और करंट आगे नहीं जाएगा. बहुत बढ़िया चीज बोला आपने. ये चीज होता है दिवाली के लाइटों में. वन लाइट गॉन, ऑल लाइट गॉन. इसीलिए क्वेश्चन आता है, इन हाउस होल्ड वायरिंग यू यूज सीरीज और पैरेलल. सर, हमारा बाथरूम फ्यूज होने से किचन फ्यूज नहीं होता है. घर में पैरेलल वायरिंग होती है. अगर सीरीज वायरिंग हुआ ना, बाथरूम फ्यूज, ऑल फ्यूज. सीरीज मींस ऑल आर कनेक्टेड इन वन गो ना, so the current has to flow this way. अगर मैं खराब हो गया तो आई एम ब्रेकिंग द सर्किट ना ऑलमोस्ट. उसमें 2-3 स्टैंड्स है, इसलिए आपको पता नहीं लगता है. वो भी बताएंगे कैसे होता है. ठीक है, इन सब के ऊपर मेरे बचपन की बहुत चीजें बर्बाद हुए हैं, सो आई नो इट विद एक्सपीरियंस. ठीक है, आगे बताएंगे. इतने स्टोरीज हैं इस चैप्टर में, हंस दोगे बाद में. स्टोरीज विच आर रिलेटेड टू अचीवमेंट्स with economic constraints as well as dreams getting shattered, but end of the day one thing happened, knowledge got reinforced. So did you understand series and parallel? So series में हमेशा याद रखिए, if a device is connected in series, it quietly goes and sits in that circuit. Okay, चलो अब देखते हैं करंट को कैसे मेजर करते हैं. So we call it as measurement of current. Okay, measurement, and we will visit series parallel again in detail. You'll have a lot of problems on that. Measurement of current. So the current is measured by a device which is known as ammeter. A-M-M-E-T-E-R. This is the device. A current is measured by a device which is known as ammeter. And the symbol of an ammeter is like this. A लिखते हैं और एक साइड में प्लस रहता है, एक साइड में माइनस रहता है. Means every electrical device has got polarity. इस साइड में प्लस देना. दिस इज द सिंबल ऑफ एन एमीटर. एंड ऑल दैट यू आर गोइंग टू लर्न इलेक्ट्रिसिटी इन ग्रेड 10 नाउ इज बेसिकली डायरेक्ट करंट दैट यू आर लर्निंग. सर, डायरेक्ट करंट क्या होता है? कैन नॉट एक्सप्लेन यू राइट नाउ. एनीथिंग दैट इज लो वोल्टेज एप्लीकेशन टाइप, बैटरीज एंड टॉर्च एंड लाइट्स एंड ऑल दोस. यू आर नॉट स्टडीइंग एनीथिंग अबाउट हाई वोल्टेज राइट नाउ. हाई वोल्टेज बाद में पढ़ेंगे. ठीक है. सो ammeter. Now, how does that? इसमें आपको क्वेश्चन आएगा, name the device which measures current, that is ammeter, and second will be how is an ammeter connected in circuit. कैसे आप कनेक्ट करोगे in which you want to measure current. ammeter तो बाजार से खरीद के ले आया, कनेक्ट कैसे करेंगे? how is an ammeter connected in a circuit in which you want to measure current? So the answer for this is, an ammeter is always connected in series. An ammeter is always connected in series. So let us understand and try with some. Okay, as we go with this, also take down some symbols. Electrical circuits have symbols. We will study these also, but वही है, ये नहीं जानेंगे तो आगे नहीं. Some basic symbols are, दिस इज अ स्विच. इसको हम क्या बोलते हैं? की भी बोलते हैं, स्विच भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज अ स्विच. हाँ, ये ओपन है अभी, क्लोज्ड. ये अभी ओपन पोजीशन में है. ओपन मतलब ऑफ है, और ये अगर ऐसे लगा दिया मतलब ये ऑन है. दिस इज कॉल्ड क्लोज्ड. क्लोज मतलब करंट जा पा रहा है. ठीक है, ये स्विच को देख लीजिए. सेकेंड इज, ट्राई टू नो व्हाट इज अ सेल. सेल मीन्स that one thing which you buy, one Duracell जैसे. So the plus terminal is always बड़ा वाला, छोटा वाला is negative. This is plus, this is minus. इसको हम बोलते हैं सेल. बेटा इसको बैटरी मत बोल देना. बैटरी इज a combination of cells. जैसे उस रिमोट में 2 बैटरी लगा हुआ है, तो बैटरी कैसा होगा? बैटरीज आर ऑलवेज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज. इसका प्लस, इसका माइनस, फिर दूसरा का प्लस, दूसरे का माइनस, ऐसे. ठीक है ना? So this is called a battery. We don't only use battery word for cells, we also use for cylinders also. Like if you go to McDonald's, they'll say we have a battery cylinder bank of, like Pebble City has got a cylinder bank 20x2, means 20 cylinders के 2 banks हैं. That is also called a battery. Battery is wherever similar power giving things are connected, it's a battery bank, it's a battery. ठीक है, ये तो समझ में आ गया. Then let us also see one more device, which is a bulb. So a bulb is typically like this, and you can make a circle on it. This is one way. If you go for foreign books, they will show the bulb in this manner. Somebody may also show a bulb like this in some circuit. आपकी जो मर्जी आप कर लो. Generally we use this one more as bulb. This is a bulb. हाँ, वो की होता है बेटा, वो जब हम सर्किट डायग्राम्स करेंगे तब बताएंगे. अभी इससे ये इजी है समझने के लिए. उसको हम प्लग की बोलते हैं. दीज आर कॉल्ड पियानो स्विचेस. पियानो के की जैसे है ये. हाँ, so let us say a simple circuit now. Let's take a simple circuit and let's see how to glue a bulb. So the way we glue a bulb is very simple. जैसे ये आपका, this is one of your ever ready battery. So the top one is always plus, the bottom one is minus. ऐसे निकाल लो. और जो आपका बल्ब है, ऐसा बल्ब है आपका, उसमें एक साइड ये लगा दो, दूसरा साइड लगा दो, आपका बल्ब जल जाएगा. ज्यादा रोशनी चाहिए तो 2 बैटरी लगा दो आप, और इसको खोल के यहाँ लगा दो. ठीक है, दिस इज योर नॉर्मल टॉर्च वायरिंग. अभी कंटिन्यूअस जल रहा है तो बोलोगे बैटरी खत्म हो जाएगा, तो यू कट दिस वायर, स्विच बन गया, फिर ऐसे टच कराने से जलेगा, खोलने से खुलेगा. यही सब मेरे बचपन के खेल होते थे. ठीक है. देन somebody के घर में जाके junkyard you get a switch, then that day you will take the switch and you will try to do control. That's how we learned. Okay, now this is a very casual way of drawing, so we should have something which is known as a circuit diagram, which anyone in this world should be able to interpret. Let's try to draw this circuit diagram. So the circuit diagram is something like this, where we actually show two cells. So it's a 2-cell battery, a plus and a minus. And the circuit diagram is always rectangular in shape. Okay, rectangular, सुंदर से rectangular shape होता है. तो इसमें हमने एक switch दे दिया है ऐसे control करने के लिए. And then we have our bulb like this, and this is our circuit diagram. Now do you understand? If you actually, and current कैसा जा रहा है? It's going from positive terminal to negative terminal. अब ये भी पढ़ना है हमें. तो यहाँ जाके करंट रुक जाएगा, आगे नहीं जा पाएगा. So it goes and stops here unless and until the circuit is closed. Dotted means it's a closed circuit. This means it's an open circuit. So either you make the circle complete for the bulb, don't leave it like that. That is the symbol of ohm actually. This one, this particular one. Either you, no, that's correct. Which one you drew was correct. This one, this is correct. This is correct. Here you make a filament and make the circle. That will become, oh, that's a different symbol actually. And avoid this completely. Either do 1 or 2. ठीक है, ये सर्किट देखा. नाउ बाजार में जो ये अवेलेबल होता है बच्चा, ये टिपिकली अवेलेबल होता है 1.5 वोल्ट्स का. तो आपने 1.5 वोल्ट्स के 2 लगाए. नाउ यू डोंट नो इवन वोल्ट, बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. So your battery bank is having 3 volts. So some current is running in this circuit and you want to measure what is the current running. That's what we are trying to learn. How to measure current. A current is measured with a device known as an ammeter, and the ammeter is always connected in series. Now try to think. हमें इस सर्किट का, यहाँ मन दो बेटा, ड्राइंग वाइंग बाद में होगा, समझोगे नहीं तो. हमें इस सर्किट का करंट मेजर करना है. And today luck is bad. Who knows, again power goes, nothing will be recorded. Shall we make it 2 files? Yeah. But again, the bad thing is in YouTube we can't load one file. Then it will be class 1A, 1B, 1C, 4 files. That we used to do in Canva. That much time is not there now. That time we used to please put everything in Canva. Okay. इसका file size बहुत बड़ा हो जाता है. Canva, why we used to ask Shaurya to stop it, because Canva does not upload more than 1 gig. 1 ghanta class is more than 1 gig. That's why we used to stop halfway. So 2 files and then merge. A and B is better. A and B is better rather than not.